Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Fast. If Google Chrome suddenly crashes and shows the message, "Oh, snap, something went wrong while displaying this web page," don't worry. This problem is actually more common than you think. In this video, I'll show you all the best ways to fix it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. We'll start with the easiest fixes first, then move to the more advanced solutions if the problem still doesn't go away. Fix 1. Restart Chrome. Properly first, completely close Google Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Google Chrome. Right-click it and choose End Task. Do this for every Chrome process you see. Once everything is closed, reopen Chrome and check if the error is gone. If it still appears, move to the next fix. Fix 2. Update Google Chrome. An outdated version of Chrome can trigger this error. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. After restarting, test the website again. Fix 3. Disable extensions. One of your browser extensions may be crashing Chrome. To check this, open Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome://extensions and press Enter. Now disable all extensions. After that, restart Chrome. If the error disappears, one of the extensions is causing the issue. Enable them one by one until you find the problematic extension. Fix 4. Clear Chrome cache and cookies. Corrupted cache files can also trigger the AW snap error. Here's how to clear them. Open Chrome. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Set the time range to All Time. Check Cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Restart Chrome afterward. Now try opening the website again. Fix 5. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with graphics drivers. To disable it, open Chrome. Click the three dots and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Find Use hardware acceleration when available, turn it off. Then click Relaunch. After Chrome restarts, check if the crash still happens. Fix 6. Reset Chrome settings. If Chrome settings became corrupted, resetting them can fix the issue. Here's how. Open Chrome settings. On the left side, click Reset Settings. Choose Restore settings to their original defaults. Then click Reset Settings. This will not delete your bookmarks or save passwords. It only resets Chrome settings and disables extensions. After the reset, restart Chrome. Fix 7. Run Chrome without sandbox. Now this fix works for many users with the status_stack_buffer_overrun error. Go to your desktop, right-click the Chrome shortcut, choose Properties, go to the Shortcut tab. In the target box, go to the very end after Chrome.exe, press space, and add --no-sandbox. So it looks something like this, Chrome.exe-no-sandbox. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch Chrome using that shortcut. If Chrome opens normally, the issue may be related to sandbox conflicts. Fix 8. Rename the Chrome executable file. This trick surprisingly fixes the error for many people. Go to this location, C:\program, files/Google/Chrome/application find, Chrome.exe, rename it to something like Chrome1.exe, then try launching Chrome again. Windows will treat it slightly differently and sometimes bypass the crashing issue. Fix 9. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs interfere with Chrome and trigger this crash. Temporarily disable your antivirus protection for a few minutes and test Chrome again. If the error disappears, add Chrome to your antivirus exclusion list. Do not leave your antivirus disabled permanently. Fix 10. Repair corrupted Windows files. Damaged Windows system files can also cause Chrome crashes. Here's how to repair them. Click Start and type CMD, right-click command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command, sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. After that, type this second command, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Then press Enter again. Restart your PC once both scans finish. Fix 11. Create a new Chrome profile. Your Chrome user profile may be corrupted. Close Chrome completely. Now press Windows+R. Type %local app data \Google \Chrome /user data, press enter. Find the folder called default, rename it to default.old, now reopen Chrome. Chrome will automatically create a fresh new profile. Check if the issue is fixed. Bonus fix, reinstall Google Chrome completely. If nothing else works, reinstalling Chrome usually fixes the problem. First, uninstall Chrome. Now download the latest version of Chrome from the official website. Install it again and test it. And there you go. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Fix It Fast, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.